Hi everyone, I'm Phyllis Leverich. I'll be your instructor this semester for digital photography online. This course is designed to introduce you to the basics of digital SLR photography. Maybe you already have a DSLR camera and are wondering what all those settings are for. Perhaps you've been using a fancy camera for a while and you've only been shooting on auto and don't know what to do with the rest of the settings. Maybe you've been using some of the settings, but you're wondering how you can make your photographs look better. And maybe you are wondering why you need a DSLR in the first place when your smartphone seems to take perfectly good pictures. So we'll be answering all of these questions in this course. We're going to learn what the difference is between the type of picture you can take with a DSLR and what you can do with a smartphone. We're going to learn all about our cameras and learn how to use the various settings so that we can actually control how our pictures look. In addition to that, we're going to be learning how to use some software, specifically Adobe Illustrator. I'm sorry, not Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Lightroom, both of which are designed specifically with the photographer in mind. By the end of the semester, I think you'll be amazed at how much your photographs have improved, and you'll be amazed with, what kind of quality picture you can take. It's my hope that by the end of the semester, when you leave this class, you have fallen in love with photography and you take your camera with you everywhere you go, and you continue to take pictures, finding your voice as a photographer and building on a portfolio that is uniquely your own. So what I'd like you to do right now is, if you would look below at the bottom of this screen, you'll see 3 folders. I need for you to look at the contents of all of those folders, go over it very carefully. There's some very important course information in there, including the syllabus, your materials list, course schedule, assignments, grading, and a lot more. Please go through that very carefully before you attempt to start the course. Once you've done that, you can click on the weekly folders link on the left-hand side of your screen up the top under the Start Here button. And when you click weekly folders, it'll take you to week 1. Then you can go ahead and click on the week 1 folder and go ahead and start the course. So I do hope you enjoy this course. I really enjoy teaching it, and I'm looking forward to getting a chance to work with each of you. And I'm looking forward to seeing how you grow and develop as a photographer as the semester wears on. So good luck with the first week, and I will see you in week 1.